Yo, it's your Bob in the video. Today I'm going to help you grow your glutes, specifically one glute at a time, to help with muscle imbalances and to focus more on one glute. So this is going to be called the donkey kick. So what you're going to need is one dumbbell. You can do a heavy one if you have a lot of glute strength. If you don't have a lot of glute strength, you should use a lower weight. So I'm going to use a 30-pound dumbbell. So what you're going to do is put the dumbbell right between this part of your leg. You're going to bend your leg at like a 90-degree angle, and then you're going to place the dumbbell in here. Then what you're going to do is squeeze it so you don't lose the dumbbell while going up. And what you're going to do is go up, squeeze the glute, go back down, up, squeeze the glute, go back down. That's the same thing you're going to do for the other side. Put it right there, and then go up, down, up, down, and then you're just going to continue for reps. When doing this exercise, I recommend you start off with your non-dominant side, meaning the side you don't ride with. So in my case, it would have been my left side, but I actually started off with my right side. But you should start off with your non-dominant side and with any unilateral exercise, so you can get more stimulation on your non-dominant side, allowing you to get a stronger mind-muscle connection. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start out by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. If you want to grow your glutes using the dumbbell RDL, watch this video right here. Peace.